little update about my tragedy that happened yesterday. When I get to Sandz, I don't know what's going on, why this happened, but the universe knows what's best.
Because two are around. That's why you're not glad.
You know what I drink that rum?
Yeah?
When I drink that rum, then the party night.
Can you believe that Nikki is literally sleeping? Nikki is bucking in the chair.
No.
This is so pretty. Could you stop your noise?
Why you not happy shop with here?
I feel so embarrassed. Everyone is telling me not to feel embarrassed, but I feel so embarrassed.
Hey, yo. All right, buddy.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help.
Come and see what I'm doing before we call him.
And Nikki,
Come here, look for the lights at the house.
I said, Nikki, come, it's time to go. Nikki's like, it's early. And Nikki, blame Nikki. I was accused to me. Why you not accused to me and like cause I ain't accused Nikki? See, you're afraid of Nikki. I mean, I'm strength for.
We know you. Are you happy?
Guys, it's now 6. What time now? After 6? What time is it? 7 a.m. and we're on our way to get our makeup done for Sandz. So we are going to Sandz Jamaica and we're on our way to get our makeup done. Oh my god, at 7 a.m. the party life. This is Mandela, right?
Yes, 6 miles.
6 Mile. We're at 6 Mile going into the ghetto to get the makeup done. Oh my god. I cannot believe I wake up at 6:15 a.m.
I feel it.
Could you turn it? Would the place stink, man? Turn the place down, man. Turn the radio down, the noise. The place stink. What about now? I can't tell the stinking sense. Oh my god, the people, Jesus Christ, the place stink. Could you turn that down for me? You ain't the smell later.
Then if you deer pass us, you must not say so.
Are you right on for Trina?
They don't. Let me not tell you say they don't.
Over there is Riverton City. But it stink? No. So the government can't do something about that.
For them to do what they don't.
For that more vomit.
I don't know where it's over them, so yeah. It
smell like
and when you go over there, you don't see me leave.
It smell like number 2.
They send travel over. Because when you go over there, you don't smell a thing. We pass it a long time and somebody in the mirror.
We have Ray and Nephew over there.
At our own place.
Can't look at this truck them. This one is still right. may smell bad.
I feel like I go vomit.
That man said
But
to
I have the window open. Fresh air pass through.
See.
That's why the window should stay open. The AC vent that carry the century. Just to smell better on the window. When you pass the place, you know, lock up your window.
You're supposed to close the window before you even get here. Mile. I know where I am. We are at Dreamoy. I have Sandz Jamaica police station over there on your right hand side. If you go straight, you go to downtown Kingston. We're going left to go to Ogden Park Road. Sounds right, yeah? Ogden Park Road. If you go left, you go to Malines Road. If you go right, you go to downtown Kingston still. If you go straight, you go to halfway 3 Alpha Tree. From a come don't hear no bus ball with Alpha Tree.
Them the days are done too.
Why?
There's no bus ball out.
Sure. Now I'm hear Alpha Tree. Downtown, my girl. Alpha Tree.
Coming at the present.
Nikki, they don't sell it no more for real? Really? Oh, some back of days, my apologies. That no longer happened in Jamaica. I'm sorry. We are in the ghetto. Okay? Yeah. Happy new month, guys. Welcome to a new month, a new vlog. Today we are going to Sandz Jamaica with my cousins. It's a cousin a day in the life. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Is now minutes to 7. Just leaving out to get my makeup done. Because of Nikki, I told her like a month ago, book the appointment. She didn't. So now we literally had to do whatever the makeup artist time slot she gave us, because she's booked out. So the only slot she have was for early this morning. So I will be sitting for hours with my makeup on my face because of Nikki. You know, if you're Jamaican, you already know. If you're not, let me tell you, Jamaican people, we don't know time. So I'm right here on punishment. I told her like, we don't know time. We like, it's bad.
If
it's
it gets
bad.
Late, you know, so
You tell Jamaica, you tell a Jamaican to be somewhere at 2 o'clock. They be there at 3:30, and they have every excuse in the world why they're late. I know I'm here, so be quiet and let's proceed because I'm here. Jamaicans do not respect time. Nikki back here, you have no idea. I was so mad. I'm so upset. But fresh face, clean face, new month, love it. I leave tomorrow. Oh my god, this is my last full day here. That's Leroy. If you know Leroy, you know Leroy. We fight every day for him. Yeah. Leroy glad. Nikki not glad to me I go home.
Don't spend a little shot space of time. She don't no time, so I'm for glad to shot.
But Leroy, why?
You know why? Because I told her Romid. That's why you're not glad.
You know what I drink that rum?
Yeah?
When I drink that rum, then the party night.
Leroy, me Romid?
Rum mine.
You really call me roommate, Leroy? That's not true. 'Cause first of all, I don't drink rum.
Yep. Look on the back, them and say right on them, no matter which liquor. If you don't see rum pan it. All of them make up from cane juice.
When you were younger, you used to drink rum every day. So why, when we are drinking...
I mean, you were saying not good. After a while, it take toll of your body.
No, it's like Leroy want me to live.
So stop.
Leroy want to relive his youth life through me. And it's not going to happen.
No,
yeah?
you want to live my youth life. Just drinking.
But when younger, you were a whore. And I'm single. I haven't touched in for like forever. When you were younger, you literally... When you were younger, all I do, yes, used to work off mad money pockets like now. Used to have a bag of woman everywhere. That's Jamaican man mindset why I don't want any Jamaican man because they believe that they have to have a bunch of females and you drink, you party, and that son added that woman. I don't want to be used to that.
I you take it up now. You drink, you party, switch, say take it up, watch all your cousin run about there. The rum just attack in her head, she just lead one side. Like the bad by the street side. Take a look. Just lean to one side, I think, but the rum later.
And the disrespect. Leroy literally disrespecting me with him old work car that... I don't know, the disrespect.
Well, you no vomit in this.
Why you took up your old car and I carry my own town?
Have a problem? Take a taxi.
The disrespect. Leroy literally said he might go for the old car and try to piss me off with my party life in Jamaica. So he do not want to drive me around in luxury. Leroy said, "Me nah drive with one of my Chris car. Gonna party like the disrespect."
100% right.
But I'm going home. We're here waiting for the makeup artist. So she told us to be here at a certain time. We're here later than the time she gave us and she's still not here. Jamaicans. My voice is rough. But yeah, I will see you guys when I'm all dolled up, when we say good morning. Say hi vlog.
Hi, vlog. Which church you go?
When you decide to come, you will know where you know what to do.
You're not even not look right. People are somebody I run up on and the police are patrol the place.
So they not do what they want to do. No one carry me come here. So what am I gonna do?
This not safe enough. You must stand the police are patrol the place.
I'm not choose to come here 6:30. I know I have to 7 after 7 and the woman to come in. I mean, no, so I got to see all the mafia move out.
Guys, I'll be back once my makeup is done, because if you follow
Leroy, shorts and your
Leroy,
suitcase are matched.
I'll be back once I get my makeup done. I need. What's for breakfast, Leroy?
Holiday, you know, breakfast for holiday.
Why something nice to eat?
No more she this.
Leroy, look at the carrying up probably, Leroy.
No, she.
The makeup artist.
Before look, getting dolled up. And then we'll have miserable Leroy right here. Oh my god. Can you believe that Nikki is literally sleeping? Nikki is bucking in the chair. No, Nikki, oh dear, really sleeping? If I leave her long enough, then she's gonna start snoring. You like it? You don't even look at it. You're not looking at your face? You like it? You're tired. You're tired.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, we just wanna dance on our own.
Hi guys, welcome to back to the channel. I'm Shawna. Taximan lifestyle.
I say we don't have to stop for through the road there.
Bad people too. We are at the Sea View Garden. The taximan, the bad door. We're hungry. Oh, it's so close. The guy cut you a while ago. I am very hungry. What's for breakfast?
What is this?
Leroy made some saltfish and breadfruit. We don't have any plates, so we're using these boxes over here. But here, Leroy roast breadfruit, and we have some saltfish. So breakfast is served, Shawna. Enjoy. Sandz outfit. Sandz outfit. A little update about my tragedy that happened yesterday. When I get to Sandz, I don't know what's going on, why this happened, but the universe knows what's best. Yesterday I got all dolled up with my cousin. The vibe was right, everything was good until we get there. You see, negative energy. I tell you, energy is real. When people come around you with negative energy, it affects you, it affects your environment. There was so much tension in the car yesterday going to Sandz. It was just like, you know, the mood, and you know, I get to Sandz yesterday looking cute, sexy, makeup done, hair done, looking good, body right. I love my outfit. I was so ready to, you know, party, to meet one of my subscribers. Why would you get the coconut jelly in a water bag? What kind of nastiness is this?
Because she don't have no straw.
It means them drinking, that's when the bag clean. I don't want this, you know. You're not even know the bag where she get clean.
Of course the bag clean, not the pack
or
of
you know
bag.
the bag clean. And but a roadside, things blown at the bag, them and them some of them. I don't want this. We are carry coconut water, come give me a plastic bag for.
Some if you carry the coconut water, come give you that straw, where you go drink it?
Now put it on my head.
I know I'm not fake, but I'm not sick. That's my foot spray.
I want big old chop, she make her top right.
I don't want this, man. Because the bag not, you know the bag, I put move on the dirty bag.
The bag.
Alright, how am I going to drink this now? I'm going to bite the bag and the bag not clean.
The bag clean, Shawna, man.
You drink it then.
I don't have no problem drinking it.
Because if you buy one jelly, look where you're going to buy here, come give me.
The people are no straw. And that's the problem.
So how am I going to drink this without straw?
Just bust and one. You ever drink suck?
What is this?
What the what?
What is really this?
Oh, how much are them? Alright, me tell her that today or tomorrow.
I really don't understand this.
Alright.
You right, this looks sensible to you?
This come out for the phone, the radio.
No, seriously, I'm actually right nicely.
Why
If
everything you have to expose and discuss and everything with everybody in the world?
I actually right decently. Right? I asked him nicely if I can get a coconut water. I'm on my way to the airport.
Yeah, when we are parked up, we stop and buy it.
I'll leave right.
Get a straw,
Get
yeah,
the coconut water.
Everybody
right?
know buy coconut water and bag them through it either.
Lies. That is not true.
Yeah,
that is not true. Don't listen. You're quick for talk. I always bash my dog and I try to quiet my dog, right? What I'm saying is when people buy jelly sometimes, them want the coconut, the jelly part, right? The person should chop the jelly, put the jelly and put it in the bag too. Where's that part?
And leave it is still not the jelly. Okay.
Well, I want it.
Wherever we can stop and get it.
Because I just want to go home.
You're just miserable, son.
No, I just want to go
You just
home.
simply just put on that and we drink it and get you a different bag. It is simple. You shouldn't have no fuss in this.
Alright then.
You just put it down in a leaf.
Okay.
Just put it down.
Okay.
We drink it and we just get a different one. It's 1, 2. No argument.
Okay. I was saying before I was rudely interrupted. I get to Sandz ready to party to meet one of my subscribers. I'm so excited to meet her. Like, you know that moment when you're gonna meet or you're going to meet your crush. My heart was so full with joy, a little bit, nervous to meet one of my subscribers. And then I was walking, when you come to Sandz first, because my tickets are my phone, when you come in you show them the first section, you show them your phone, they say okay you could go. The second point, then you would they scan your phone, put the band on your hand, right where you have the sign that says Sandz, where everyone go there to take their pictures. Right there when I was stepping down, I stepped into a hole and my foot, we call it twist, and I sprained my ankle. Guys, I literally got down to my knee. I fell down to my knee. It was so hard, so painful. I don't know. Open the door.
Good morning.
Good morning, mother.
Good morning.
And then from there, I don't know, it's like everything just went bad. I'm in terrible pain from last night. I had to just turn right back from the party. Did not even enter into the lawn at stadium. I left everyone there. It was so horrible. Mommy, listen to this, right? I'm actually right nicely, I can get one coconut jelly. And look, Oliver, I got buy the jelly in that bag here. Come give me now.
So you know what you thought?
No, but what the coconut part there? It might
Just put it and put it in the bag too.
yeah, but we buy coconut water in a dirty plastic bag.
Everybody have bag them by coconut water.
No.
If you want it in a bag, you get it in a bag.
Alright.
You right, choose to
Miss
put it
Right,
in the bag.
me choose to put it in the bag because they have no straw. So I'm going to carry the big old
Okay.
coconut.
Mommy.
Or she going to drink the coconut while we are drive. If you don't have no straw. How she going to do it? And
Me?
then, some say put it in the bag.
Mommy, my thing is at the roadside in bite, right? With the dirty and the bag dirty where the car them a blow, dust a blow a daytime on the bag them. You just open the bag and throw the water in it. No me to put my
mouth.
mouth.
Me say you don't have to argue about it. You just get a different one.
Alright.
And me put
You might tell
my
myself
mouth.
to drink like suck.
You know suck, you never usually drink suck. You
No,
don't suck
me
thing.
not suck things.
You don't suck breast.
No, me not suck nothing.
Yes, you know, sucky something.
No, me not suck it.
And you know, so we can't buy back from the next friendly lady there again. We have to get it fast.
I never know say I beg me a beggar.
No, because the same thing how she don't have a straw to give to you.
Right, and she not cut it small.
And she not cut it small good.
That's why sometimes when you correct people nicely, them understand. You see, if it's towards 10 minutes, when you cut jelly, As a man, you cut it small. You cut it too wide so somebody can drink from it. You're supposed to carry a car.
I say to her, I say, shit. Look what she's... And then I say, you have a bag, can't show you. Because she must believe...
Oh, so you also have to put it in the bag?
Yeah.
But don't want it.
Put it in the ground. So she could have tell me, say, she got bag up it.
Shall you really do that?
Because I know, because of that, I do all the while.
You sell here, make the choice. You never hear me sell here, make the choice.
And she never hear me say, I make the choice.
No, you never, just all along.
Me never say so. Me tell her say he
You
and
tell
me
me
carry
say,
come with the big old
you
something.
tell me say, I lady put it in the bag.
And the lady threw in the bag, but I me tell her to put it in the bag to make things easier. Next time I tell her, I said, don't cut it. I don't know why people stop sell jelly without.
See, when you go some place, you buy your water straw down.
Not even juice you buy, no, you don't want to get straw.
Mama, let me see your shades.
You take the dirty buckler.
Let me see your shades.
You take the dirty buckler and push it down.
You take my shades advance, man.
Push it down your mouth.
What?
I can't find one of my Gucci shades. You know?
No, darling. Then this is like Gucci.
Yeah, look like Gucci from far.
Okay.
From far.
From a distance.
Where's it from a distance?
From a distance.
Yeah, I told you that's my phone. I'm giving it as part. And you're my girl.
Listen up, I want banana chips. I want the instant box coffee. I want the all-purpose seasoning and the coffee we're going at the grinder. The Blue Mountain Peak. The Blue Mountain Peak coffee.
And a 3-in-1 you want?
No, you want a 3-in-1, one instant 3-in-1 and the Blue Mountain.
I know why, but she says she want. But she search her bag and give me money.
I don't have any money. You're a vampire. Yeah, that's a suck up my straw. Buy, if you have money, man, use a credit card.
Which credit card? Them the max long time.
Make them max, make them over max.
Thank you. And then if you pay for your overdraft.
I don't have no money now.
We just tell yourself, look and swear you have to make
Oh, my for look, I know I don't have none. I pay $100 I have. I'm tell you I want $100 them. Me I build one something. Everywhere I travel, I have money. I pay $100.
When I do Ghana that money.
That me
last time I asked to see what kind of money.
That meant no come with a pantry Ghana. As I tell you, I save the money them for everywhere I go. I have one of the money. Come I build one something with me. I got a glass case. When me have Jamaica, Ghana, I go Mexico. Yeah. I go Mexico, I go England, I go St. Martin. Everywhere I go. Yeah. More than the old $100 too, please.
You know.
And him just want to take every money from me.
Because it makes sense. When you go up, I mean,
I make something. No, I make one board. Me just tell you, me I make one travel board.
Stop stress black man. Black man stay stress free.
You just draw. Come on, I'm not out to everybody want me this at my toe. I did sit in the carrying the negative energy, the carrying negative spirit. I'm not doing on negativity.
But me tell you what, sometimes if you follow your mind, things will time, it won't happen. And when me you see when me reach back for her, because she called me, say if you come back for her, when me reach back for her, she tell me say if you get her next hour. You see if when me reach back for her, she won't come same time, she will not drop in her hole. And she change her mind, I end up with this card that I tell her, say,
no, come and say me ready. No, come and say me ready. I need the pan. Shawna, you come so far, don't waste your money. I understand where you say. I cannot go party and people are the negative energy and one day force and the one day. I not party them way, then the negativity. If I go party with you, I want the vibes to right, I'm come for have fun.
Of course,
you come for have fun and you not talk to she miserable. That one day not yeah, when we are part with we are family. We are family and we are group. So you have up she have up she, you there get away from people for come with igloo. Me not want them look at joke they no. Me not party so. I'm sorry. Me not live my life in a misery and chaos. I can't function in a misery and chaos. I cannot do it. I can't do it. I never true. I gone so long. It's probably appear white people like everybody just calm, relax, and things just run smooth. That's why I not like New York. That's why I not like certain places. I cannot do it. It confuse it. It stresses me out. But don't like it. Yeah, if I'm a drama, them can't just something up for them feel like it's entertaining. I don't like it. But don't like it. it really disturbed my peace. Yeah, you see all the rest there?
Wow.
You're terrible. Come on, we have money, you know. This is so pretty. Would you stop your noise?
Why you not happy shop me there?
Do you have all $500?
No.
I want to show the difference.
No.
But this is so cute. I love this.
You want all one?
Can I borrow it, please? The new $500. This reminds me of pound. You know pound, right? The
I
pound
first
money.
own this one, I know pound.
Mommy, I know pound. Right, mommy?
See all 500.
The old $500 and the new one. Look at the difference. This is where more classy, more bougie. Give you that money, you know?
Why you don't like them?
Why? Why you don't like them?
You don't feel comfortable.
Because you're not used to it as yet. It's gonna feel foreign to you because you're not used to it. Do we have a old and a new $100? Yes, we do. So this is not straightened properly, but the old $100 right here and the new one is right here. The difference. Old and new. The difference with the old and the new, $500 over here. I'm loving this for Jamaica. I am loving this for Jamaica. You have more? We're personal life. We're getting patties at Tasties. Tasties party. I saw one patty there for $2.60.
Right, you don't understand. The last time I travel, I go to them. Them laugh after me because I have to use wheelchair. Them laugh after me, just call me a old man, me a this, me a that. Me a feel in a wheelchair, people a feel shopping in a wheelchair. My time to laugh now. Yeah!
Yeah, oh my God. I want people to see why I can't stand here. I can't stand them.
Yeah, I died to put her in a wheelchair. I want to take a picture and send her get dash same time.
You're not a nice person. It's like me literally feel good and can't walk and you're laughing because
but the thing about it, if me cry, it's the same thing I go happen. If me laugh, it's the same thing. So my time I laugh, I enjoy myself.
You have no idea how embarrassed I was.
Until they put on, drive it on, put on my back for you.
And that's why.
You know me, I got me out. You can't punch at me for airport. I'm not taking more disrespect for money. Is that right? You.
No comfortable ride at Leroy?
Better ride.
Is that right? Is that remember, you know? Remember, you know, give me the guinea. The bottle come massage my shoulder. You can't ask me up. You don't give me the guinea pen and give me the cane. I mean, I carry belly feet.
You don't say you're fat making I get the cane?
Yeah, mommy, everything is always my fault.
You're fat making I get the cane?
Everything is always somebody's fault. You can try massage all you want. Massage. No, this not do nothing. Massage all the way you can frame.
Relax, take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out, inhale.
You love everything for Amazon, you know. You love sitting there and send me link. And why you send me no more link?
Inhale.
Me must inhale and exhale.
Calm. Count from 1 to 10.
I tell you no. I literally take this thing for joke.
So what are we going to do, Shawna?
But it's okay.
Did I go alright?
But if alright, Mom, we came up on my photo. One time me small like Mommy used to tell me that she feel like she want to run away. One time I go to school.
If you are proper
Mom, why you tell me so? You get tired of it, being a parent? You say you feel like you want to run away.
Yeah, pressure. You know that you tell someone pressure reach you want to run away. You don't understand when pressure. Or she will understand when pressure reach you. Because when pressure reach she turn idiot. She mad.
Me?
Yeah.
Me mad.
Mad as a shad.
Me mad.
Oh my God.
So you don't know say you're mad?
Am I mad? I'm mad.
If then psychological check you,
I'm mad.
You're 70% sober and 30% mad.
What? No mad then.
She's not
Exactly.
fully mad. But she mad.
I'm partially mad.
Partially mad.
No, for true. Mommy used to say, why? What time she want to run away?
She feel like she not run and come back.
Pressure, because you don't understand the pressure with the pan her.
No, the moment say, I'm just run away and I come back. So she tell me now. Oh, come on, you're right, KFC open? I can't believe I come to Jamaica. I'm gonna get a barbecue.
You get barbecue wings one time,
No?
Yep.
You get barbecue? Yes, you're right. But that wasn't enough.
But 8 piece of barbecue wing, yeah.
But that's what every
That's
time.
the last we ate there.
KFC open 11 o'clock?
Some open 11, some open 12, some open 1.
Them said KFC upstairs, right?
Nope. Island Grill.
Island Grill, that's what them said? But say, mommy, when I come to delivery, I almost kill me out at Airport Road. No,
I know you all wanted that kill off.
The car run off of the road. They think I joke?
But I kill off myself.
You know, you guys take it very lightly. That delivery almost killed me.
But I kill myself to another year one. Maybe I'm one dead. But if never go on the fool in the small drift off of the road.
Did I drift? The car that drift and drift.
You know, so I said the German man when killing one part the people in their taxi. I said when drift off of the road and looking at them head on.
The famous Airport Road. Leaving Jamaica. Man in the back of the man car.
Reverse on the time, reverse that.
Leaving the island.
Which is so good.
You mean it's so good, but that's something for you?
I tell you if you spend 3 more weeks.
But just some expensive, I'm gonna cost money.
Of course it's expensive,
I'm
they wouldn't know that.
You know, sister, I tell you right, you have to say I'm gonna miss you.
Of course, I'm gonna miss her.
Aww.
The time I get used to her. You know, so every time when she come in at the beginning, we always have fuss.
But you just get.
I know I get used to me, I get used to her there now and then she are gone.
I miss him, I can miss me for 3 now. When Leroy see me, before him hug me up and kiss me, him war with me. Him find excuse and war with me. Him always at war with me.
Start, so by the time
everybody overtake.
This, that, we just turn back.
You know, most time I come to Jamaica, the first time I come to Jamaica and go back so quick. I always stay for 3 weeks, 1 month, 5. Last year I stayed for 5 weeks.
Yeah.
I always stay for a long time. But this trip, oh my god.
You come to go one party.
I live and I learn. I tell you that much. Where all these cars right here? A taxi?
Taxi,
Taxi station. You have a park, no?
Yeah, I'm going to park and then you have a sit down there. You can see we get a wheelchair.
I feel so embarrassed. Everyone is telling me not to feel embarrassed, but I feel so embarrassed. I really do. My lovely mom helping me. Motherly love. But not right here. And this is what they. Look at my foot.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling card. Did you know that?
Look at the condition of my foot. Look how swollen my foot is. Oh my god. My foot is so swollen. I cannot believe this is happening.
You're gonna put it on your video. I'll put it on your video.
once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
Here comes our favorite part of the flight. Welcome to Charlotte.